Hi, I'm Michael from the Shed of Design, and I'm going to teach you, believe it or not, how to build this website that you're looking at right now. I know that because I've already recorded it. So I know for a fact that I'm going to teach you how to build exactly this website because the course is done. This is the website that I build along with you watching along from scratch on WordPress that you will be able to build if you also follow along on WordPress. It is a fully functioning site. It pulls through information from the back end dynamically, which means that every time you add a new service or add a new page or a new privacy policy item, as long as you press save in the right place, the website will just show them where it needs to show them. You haven't got to go through and make loads of changes. It's all built to agency level standard. It is tailor-made for UK GDPR law. So if you are running a service business in the UK currently, and you have ever wanted to know how to make your own WordPress website, or not been able to afford to get a designer to make you a WordPress website, or even worse, just being let down by the experience of using a designer for a WordPress website, this course is for you. It's going to take you from knowing nothing at all whatsoever about web design to being able to build contact and content forms like this, where you can dynamically say, show me just photos of places, show me just photos of people. All this kind of search functionality is going to be built in right from the beginning. You'll know how to build a fully functioning blog section where you can look up all the posts and read what's going on. You're going to be able to do sign-up forms, contact us forms with dynamic data coming through, such as a contact form. Let me show you. So on our service number 1, on our contact form down at the bottom, it is saying already service of interest, service number 1. And that would be the same whichever service you're currently looking on. It has told you this is what the subject line is. So that's what you want to talk about. You get that level of information from the customer. It just looks like you're trying to help them out. All of this is covered in this course, how to build this entire website. And who am I to teach you? Well, my name's Michael, like I mentioned earlier on, and I've been web and graphic designing for fun since about 2001. So almost a quarter of a century of learning what I do. I am good enough that I've been able to just pay my own way in life on web design since the year 2019. I've made my living from it for 5 or 6 years now. And I have a large family, we have pets, we have a mortgage, we have all the things that everybody else has. And I pay for it through my web design knowledge and experience. This is my agency website. It's got a portfolio of all some of the nicer sites that I've built. Everything's on here. You can see a full portfolio, full customer reviews. You can see all of these mentioned working with Michael, great integrity and flexibility, understood what I was looking for, great suggestions, creating a new website for my company to a very high standard. I'd like to thank Michael. That's me. I have a background in building websites for service businesses, okay? I also have a background in training. I used to train people how to dance to hits from the Moulin Rouge and Mamma Mia at Hotel Entertainment Standard in Ibiza in the mid-noughties. That was a long time ago. I have trained staff across Spain on how to run retail units. I've worked in hospitality. I've worked in hotel entertainment. I've worked in training. I've worked in management. And now I work in web and graphic design. That is why I am the perfect person to help you better understand who you are and what you can do. Because I know how to make websites. Let's just pick one of these. Let's check Curly Worm. So Curly Worm creative site. You can see a little snippet view of it there. And then if you want to, oh yeah, we made their logo too. If you want to, you can have a look at their website. Here's their website. They wanted a kind of funky Miami Vice sort of feel to it. I think we delivered. We brought that through. They're quite happy with that. I say we, it was me. I don't know why I keep saying we. But yeah, I've got a portfolio on there. If you want to go and have a look, go and have a look. But I am an expert in web design. I've been doing it for years, and I've been paying my way in life for 5 or 6 years just from knowing what to do with websites. So what does that mean? That means I've built, well, I haven't even refreshed that since I redid the homepage 2 minutes ago. I have built the website that you're going to see here on camera and recorded the whole process. That's what it looks like at the minute. And you are going to build, if you follow along, this website. There's no ifs, buts, or maybes. You will be able to use this website for your own company. You'll be able to rebrand it, recolor it, change the font, whatever you want to do, put your own information in there, and it will be a fully functioning website by the time you do that. But alternatively, you might not want to do that. You might want to just take what you learn on this course and go off and build something else. That's fine as well. You're going to have the knowledge of how to do that. It's going to be jargon free. It's going to be industry standard education, standard terms that explain what they mean using leading industry programs like Bricks Builder and an automatic CSS and power of WordPress, which powers almost half the websites on the internet. You may have already tried Wix. You may have already tried Squarespace and been frustrated at the false advertising that you could whip up an amazing site in 5 minutes. If you have an interest in doing this, it's not going to be a quick learn. This course is long, it's thorough, but it is entertaining. And you're going to know what you need to know in order to build the site that you're looking at right here. You are going to know what you need to know in order to go away and build any website that you can really think of. If you have a service-based industry, or your partner works for a service-based industry, or whatever it is, the reason that you've gotten here is because you have an interest in taking control of your digital presence. And this course is going to allow you to do that. It's going to make you chuckle once or twice as we go along. I've kept in bits where it goes really wrong to show you how to fix them. I know how to do it. I know not to panic. And I know the best tools to use. I know the best resources to check out. I know the best communities to be involved with. Including in this course is over 20 hours of tutorial videos that I've filmed and edited and then built the site to put them on. You've got a background of mine of 20 odd years that you can have access to every Monday at 7 o'clock on a weekly Zoom call. I'll be there answering any questions of any customers. You're going to have in the future, when I've sold a few more of these, you're going to have a members community where you will get signed up and you can just speak to one another. And if you're having an issue with a particular class or a particular segment, I'll be there to help. Someone else will be there to help. And it will just build this massive resource. And inside there, I will add exclusive training videos that won't be available anywhere else. You're also, and I can't emphasize this enough, going to have access to all of this forever. It's a lifetime purchase. So however the price is down at the bottom of this, that is a one-off fee, and it's never going to be lower than that. There is a price guarantee that whatever fee you see today is the lowest fee it will ever be. There's no future sales that are going to drop it lower than that. There is no better time to buy it than now. I've just finished uploading it. The course is just launched, so at the moment, there's not really any reviews I can put on. I can't scream about how good it is, but the first few people are working their way through it and the feedback will be shared as soon as I know. Like I've said before, all my reviews are available on my actual website. If you go to bunnyduck.design, all these reviews are genuine ones, what clients say, and you can see everything on there. As time goes on, I'll build up the review portfolio for the Shadow Design too, and hopefully we can help as many people as possible get themselves online. But I will teach you how to build this website on the course that is available further down this page. Thank you, and see you soon.